Welcome to 70 Broadmoor Court, nestled in the wonderful neighborhood of Marin Country Club. This will be your oasis in the heart of Novato. Hi, I'm Haven O'Halloran with Coldwell Realty, excited to bring you my new listing at 70 Broadmoor Court in Novato, California. Nestled on a private, peaceful cul-de-sac in Novato's exclusive Marin Country Club neighborhood, this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home is the home that you've been waiting for. This unique dining space offers a great opportunity for joy and fun in this home. On the cozy nights, I can imagine just sitting, doing puzzles, playing card games, having a long leisurely dinner, enjoying wine from the wine fridge, and then in the summer, just having a great time swimming, coming in, grabbing snacks at the buffet, coming back, going back outside, and really creating wonderful memories. Imagine gathering and connecting in this beautiful kitchen with all of your friends and neighbors. I can see hosting potlucks and buffet dinners and having the children around the kitchen island, bringing so much love and connection in this home. There are two things that you can't change about a primary bedroom in a home. The first is all of the natural light. This room has a large window with views of the rolling hills. And the second thing is the ensuite bathroom that's modern, spacious, and bright. I hope you love lots of sunshine because this home faces southeast and gets lots of sun year-round. You'll have so much fun enjoying every minute of it.